Hey guys, I got this Poetic A53 case. So you can see this is a Guardian series case, and let's open this up. So this have a inbuilt screen guard. So as you can see it here, so it's 360-degree protection. Let me just remove all these protective layers and the covering. So packaging wise, this is very protective case and covering. So let me just open everything up. So this is all the protective covering, and this is the fingerprint sensor thing here. Now you can see in the video the small round part, and this one is the back case. So this also came with this without the screen protector thing. So if you don't want a screen protector, you can use this instead. So you can choose, and this is a screen cleaner thingy. You can just put in here, like this is my A53, so I'm just putting in here. So let's use this screen protector thing. So this is a wet cloth just to clean up the screen protector, everything. So I'm just cleaning this up and then wipe it off. So it have a microfiber cloth, small one, to dry this up. You can also use these stickers and stuff, but I don't think I need it here. So I will not use this. So I will just dry this. And then put in my phone in here. So this phone comes here, all the buttons and everything comes fine. Let me just take out these protective layers. And put this on the top of it. So this will secure this phone, and this is a 360-degree protection, so everything is all secure. So I'm just cleaning this up, and now you can see it's like very nice shiny thing. So it's very clear thing, and all the buttons and everything is working fine. With the camera, it's all protection, all the ports are fixed fine. There's no issue with any sort of use. So very protective case.